We're here at Collegetown Court to see apartment 404. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment here in this 5-floor building. We're on the 4th floor. We're entering through the main part of the apartment. You can see we've got the living room right here, and the kitchen is right over here on our right. Let's take a look. We'll see the kitchen items. You've got the refrigerator, there's the dishwasher, a sink, microwave. We have cabinets and drawers and that stove and oven over there. And here's the living room. So it's an open space. So we have the seating areas, a dining table and chairs. There's the TV mounted on the wall. There's an air conditioner that's here in this living room window here in the apartment. And let's take a look out the window. All of the rooms here face to the east, so this is especially bright in the morning. Let's take a look over at the bathroom for the apartment, and then we'll go on and see the bedrooms. The bathroom is this door on the right. We've got very similar bathrooms in all the apartments, so this will be the toilet and the vanity, and the tub shower is over on our right-hand side over here. Let's go back across. We'll start with room 1. Room 1 is the largest of the bedrooms here in this apartment, so it's a little bit longer. So we've got extra floor space in here. They'll all have the same furniture, the desk and chair, the dresser, the bookshelf, the full-size bed. I want to show you the closet in this room in particular. We do have a second hanging bar in the back, so we've got some extra hanging space here in this one. This room is a great choice if you have some of your own extra furnishings you wanted to bring in, like an extra fun chair or an extra clothing rack, anything like that. Those would fit nicely in here. We're going to go back out across the living room, see room number 2. This is the room in the middle. This is the smallest of the 3 bedrooms. It still has all the same furnishings and everything else is all in here, but you won't have as much space. You can see closet over here. This is still a good closet. Everything fits in nicely. It's a cute, cozy room, but the smallest of the 3, just so you're aware. The last room is room 3. This is the middle-sized room. You can see I've got the closet open, so there's definitely good space in that closet. Let's get around and see all the furnishings again, and let's peek out the window one more time. Again, facing to the east. We're in central Collegetown, so you can always see lots of houses and other buildings around us. So you can see a little more floor space than we had in room 2. So that's a look at Collegetown Court. This is apartment 404. We have this layout or model of apartment on floors 2 through 5 of this elevator building located at 208 Dryden Road. We're just up from the corner of College Ave and Dryden Road, and from there, we're just 1 block to campus here in central Collegetown.